Hi, welcome to the new section of Facebook marketing psychology. In this section, we'll discuss about why do people use Facebook, what do businesses needs from Facebook, and why businesses sometimes fail in Facebook and how to fix this problem. Let's begin with the first lecture. Why do people use Facebook? By the way, we know that people comes for Facebook for many reasons, and here's some of the main 10 reasons why people still use Facebook. Here's some reasons relates to make use of .com. Here we see the all of 10 reasons. Let's scroll down to show up all of these. Here you see because of Facebook works as an RSS readers for new, because of it's required to log in to other websites, and because you can use it to build a professional profile, because you can use it to share photos easily, and because of Facebook offers free video messaging, and because it's an easy way of organizing events, and because of Facebook groups are better than bulletin boards, and because it's the easiest method for remembering birthdays, and because it offers a simple way of spreading awful opinions, and the last one is because it's better than Google Plus. That's 10 reasons for coming for the Facebook by the site of make use of. But here I'm going to show you the main reasons, the best reasons of why do people using Facebook. Here we see, let's discuss with some stats which relates to the Ipsos. Here we see the people use Facebook for share interesting things, and the margin or the rate for this issue is around 65%. So 65% using Facebook for share interesting things, and the 43% people using Facebook for share important things, and the latest stats is 49% of the people using Facebook for share funny things. So that's all for the main stats which relates to the Ipsos standard. Biocab, they are using Facebook for relationships, entertainment, and opinions, ego, information, and relaxation. So that's all for why do people use Facebook. Let's discuss more about Facebook in next lecture. See you. Goodbye.